Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making so we want to cut up our chicken into strips. We're using chicken breast. The reason why we want to cut it into thin strips is because it helps it to cook faster. Okay, so we have our chicken breast there. Now we're going to season our chicken. So you can use whatever all-purpose seasoning that you prefer. You can put about, based on the amount of chicken, about you could either use a teaspoon of Italian seasoning or a tablespoon of Italian seasoning based on how much chicken you have. You're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt and some oil on it. We're also going to add to the seasoning of the chicken 2 crushed garlic cloves. So there you can see I'm adding all the dry seasoning, and then we're going to mix it well. Crushing the garlic. And again, we mix everything well to combine. And there we have our seasoned chicken that we can set aside. We're going to boil now the egg noodles. So we're going to put some salt in the water to boil it. So you want to boil your pasta according to the instructions. We're going to drain our pasta. All right, so we're going to cook the chicken now. So we're going to melt some butter in our pan. Now that that's melted, we're going to cook the chicken well. So we're cooking the chicken in the butter. Hey guys, do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you wouldn't miss when I publish a new video. So after our chicken is cooked completely, we're going to remove it from the pan. And we're going to make the Alfredo sauce. So we're going to melt some more butter again. We're going to add some heavy cream. We're going to add about a cup of milk. That's about, you could add about a half cup to a cup of heavy cream. I'm adding a cup of milk. And now we're going to add some cheddar cheese or whatever cheese you prefer. So I added cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese. You're going to mix that well. Now we're going to add the pasta and the chicken to the sauce and mix everything together. This is a quick weekday dinner that you can put together. So all done. Now we can just top with some chive or spring onions. Enjoy!